Dr. Hilbert Geezer here, and we're going to investigate this weird formula that says e to the I pi equals -1. How could that be true? Well, we're going to show using calculus how that could be true. And in calculus, you had a series expansion for e to the x, and that series expansion went like this: 1 over 0 factorial plus x to the 9th over 9 factorial plus yada yada yada. Whoa! I tripped over my shoelace. Ow. Okay, I gotta tie my shoelaces. So, this is established in calculus, and what I want to do on this problem is I want to put an I everywhere there's an x. And when I do that, well, there's no x here, but I have I, x, I squared, x squared, I to the 9th. We know that this right here, we'll just write it as 1. 0 factorial is 1. I, we'll keep it like that, I, x over 1 factorial. I squared is -1. Negative x squared over 2 factorial. I cubed is -I minus I x cubed over 3 factorial. I to the 4th is 1, so I have x to the 4th over 4 factorial. I to the 5th is just I x to the 5th over 5 factorial. I to the 6th is -1, so I have negative x to the 6th over 6 factorial. And then we have I to the 7th, that's I to the 3rd, which is I x to the 7th over 7 factorial, negative in front. And then I to the 8th is just 1, so this is x to the 8th over 8 factorial. And then we have plus I x to the 9th over 9 factorial. That tired me out. What I want to do is I want to, gotta have the Pepsi. I want to separate these terms. This is an infinite series, so that all the real numbers are on the left. So I have 1 minus x squared over 2 factorial minus dot dot dot. There's the first part. And the second part I'm going to do, oh, I got a little pain in my intestines here. Oh, well, it doesn't feel as painful anymore. Relieve some of the stress. The ones that I didn't write happen to be the ones with the I's. Oh, yeah. And I'm going to write those over here, but I'm going to factor out an I. So I have x over 1 factorial minus yada yada yada. And then, lo and behold, you might see that this right here is the infinite series for the cosine of x. Whereas this over here is the infinite series for sine x. And there is a I in front of there. And so this is the Euler formula that we have right here. What I'm going to do to the Euler formula is I'm going to let x equal pi. So e to the I pi equals the cosine of pi plus I sine pi. Sine pi is 0. Cosine of pi is -1. E to the I pi equals -1. And so we can see this formula is legitimate. We just proved it using calculus. I hope that this makes your day exciting. It makes my day very exciting.